I have some interesting questions. Would you like to discuss them with me?
That sounds interesting. Go ahead, please.
Thank you very much. Question 1. Why do you think people go to college or university?
I think attending college or university helps people to gain knowledge.
So you think attending college or university helps people to gain knowledge?
Yes, that's right.
Question 2. Parents are the best teachers. Do you agree or disagree?
I disagree. I think parents spoil their children due to their indulgence.
You disagree because you think parents spoil their children due to their indulgence.
Yes, that's right.
Question 3. Food has become easier to prepare. Has it changed improved the way people live?
Yes, I think this change has improved the way people live. Easier to prepare food helps to save time.
So you think easier to prepare food helps us to save time?
Yes.
Question 4. Is knowledge from books and knowledge from experience more important and why?
I think knowledge from books is more important because learning from books helps to avoid mistakes in experience.
So you think learning from books helps us to avoid mistakes in experience?
Yes.
The next question. A company wishes to build a large factory near your community. Do you support or oppose?
I support. I think building a large factory helps people to benefit from modern amenities.
So you support because you think building a large factory helps people to benefit from modern amenities?
Yes.
The next question. If you could change one important thing about your hometown, what would you change?
If I could change one important thing about my hometown, I would restructure the transportation system. This would help people to travel more easily.
So if you could change one important thing about hometown, you would restructure the transportation system. This could help people to travel more easily.
Yes, that's right.
Yes. The next question. How do movies or television influence people's behavior?
I think watching movies or television causes people to imitate negative acts.
So you think watching movies or television causes people to imitate negative acts?
Yes.
The next question. TV has destroyed communication among friends and family. Do you agree or disagree?
I agree. I think watching TV causes people to have less time with friends and family.
You agree because you think watching TV causes people to have less time with friends and family.
Yes, that's right.
The next question. Do you prefer to live in a small town or a big city and why?
I prefer to live in a big city because I think living in a big city helps people to access better medical condition.
You would prefer to live in a big city because you think living in a big city helps helps people to access better medical condition.
Yes.
The next question. When people succeed, it is because of hard work. Luck has nothing to do with success. Do you agree or disagree?
I disagree. I think luck helps people to get more opportunities to succeed.
You disagree because you think luck helps people to get more opportunities to succeed.
Yes.
The next question. In your opinion, what are the qualities of a good neighbor?
In my opinion, a good neighbor should have three qualities. The first one is kind, the second one is easygoing, and the last one is open-minded.
So in your opinion, a good neighbor should have three qualities. The first one is kind, the second one is open-minded, and the last one is easygoing.
Yes, that's
The
right.
next question. Why do you think people visit museums?
I think visiting museum helps people to enrich their knowledge.
So you think visiting museums helps people to enrich their knowledge?
Yes.
The next question. Do you prefer to eat out or prepare any food at home?
I prefer to eat at home. I think eating at home helps to share the cooking together.
You prefer to eat at home because you think eating at home helps us to share the cooking together.
Yes, that's right.
The next question. Should cross attendance be optional or compulsory for university students and why?
I think class attendance should be optional for university students because optional class attendance helps students to save time.
So you think cross attendance should be optional for university students because optional cross attendance helps students to save time.
Yes, that's right.
The next question. University should invest equally in sports activities and libraries. Do you agree or disagree?
I agree. I think investing equally in sports activities and libraries helps students to develop their potential.
You agree because you think investing equally in sports activities and libraries helps students to develop their potential.
Yes, that's right.
The next question. In your opinion, what are some important qualities of a good supervisor?
In my opinion, a good supervisor should have two important qualities. The first one is responsible, and one is responsible, and the other is prudent.
So, in your opinion, a good supervisor should have two qualities. The first one is responsible, and the other is prudent.
Yes.
The next question. A new restaurant may be built in a neighborhood. Do you support or oppose this plan?
I support this plan. I think building a new restaurant helps people to improve the quality of meals.
So you support this plan because you think building a new restaurant helps people to improve the quality of meals.
Yes.
The next question. Do you prefer to learn by yourself or with a teacher and why?
I prefer to learn with teacher. I think learning with a teacher helps students to get more motivated.
So you prefer to learn with a teacher because you think learning with a teacher helps students to get more motivated.
Yes.
The next question. It is better for children to grow up in the countryside than in a big city. Do you agree or disagree?
I disagree. I think living in a big city helps children to access better education condition.
You disagree because you think growing up in a big city helps children to access better education condition.
Yes, that's right.
The next question. Should government spend more money on improving roads and highways or on improving public transportation and why?
I think government should spend more money on improving roads and highway because this helps people to travel more easily.
So you think government should spend more money on improving roads and highways. This helps people to travel more easily.
Yes.
The next question. In your opinion, how should a good coworker be?
In my opinion, a good coworker should have two qualities. The first one, one is reliable and the other is prudent.
So, in your opinion, a good coworker should have two qualities. One is prudent and the other is reliable.
Yes.
The next question. A large shopping center may be built in a neighborhood. Do you support or oppose this plan?
I support this plan. I think building a shopping center helps people to relax.
So you support this plan because you think building a large shopping center helps people to relax.
Yes.
The next question. Why do you think people are living longer now?
I think better living condition helps people to live longer.
So you think better living condition helps people to live longer?
Yes.
Oh, the next question. In some countries, students have jobs while they are still at school. Do you think this is a good idea?
Yeah, I think this is a good idea. Having job while still at school helps students to become more mature.
You think this is a good idea because, in your opinion, having jobs while still at school helps students to become more mature?
Yes.
The last question. A person you know is planning to move to your town. or city. What do you think this person would like and dislike about living in your town or city, and why?
I think this person would like the sightseeing in my town because it's very beautiful. However, I think this person would dislike the poor transportation system because it causes him to travel more difficulty.
So you think this person would like the sightseeing in your town because it is very beautiful. However, you think this person could dislike the poor transportation because it causes him to travel more difficulty.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you for your, thank you very much. Thank you for the time.
No
Goodbye.
problem. Bye.